So today we're going to talk about why you may have cold feet, okay? So the first one is a hypothyroid condition because the thyroid controls metabolism. So with metabolism, everything is slowed down, even the temperature is slowed down, and you will notice it in your feet and your hands, and your whole body will be cold. Not even necessarily the feet, but it could definitely be the feet. So if this is the case, you have to find the cause of it, because if you have an autoimmune condition for the thyroid, that's a different handling. And I'm going to put a link down below of the different types of thyroid issues and what you would do for each one. But this is one of the causes. All right, number 2, low blood pressure. Why? Because there's less blood flowing through your body and there's less oxygen and less nutrients. So if this is the case, you may just need some salt, okay? Especially if you notice you just started the keto program and you're noticing, wow, my feet are cold. Well, check your blood pressure. If it's low, it could be the reason. So you just add some salt. That increases more volume because you have to also drink more water with that, so you have more volume of fluid. Because when you do a keto diet, you release a lot of fluid because all that carbohydrate retains fluid. And sometimes you could end up with low blood pressure, which is not a bad thing, but you just need to add some salt and some fluid so you can then increase the volume of fluid going through your body, and you'll notice that an improvement in the cold feet. There's other reasons for this too, but if it's date coincidence with you doing keto, then we know you just need more salt. Very simple. Number 3, diabetes, poor circulation. High levels of sugar start destroying your proteins and create all sorts of sticky proteins that block blood flow into the feet and the hands, and that can start creating this symptom. Of course, if you're on keto and intermittent fasting, this should improve, okay? All right, number 4, keto transition. When you're doing the keto and especially intermittent fasting, you may have some cold feet for a short period of time. Why? Because you're getting a metabolic shift, and actually the thyroid is still trying to adapt to that. So it may take a little bit of time for the thyroid to adapt to intermittent fasting and to the point where this cold goes away. All right, number 5, you're anemic. Well, there's many different types of anemia. 2 types. One would be B12 deficiency and an iron deficiency. But I never recommend just taking iron as a supplement. You want to get it from food. Grass-fed liver would be a good thing to take to handle both the iron and B12. But the point is you want to find out why you're anemic in the first place, because is it just that you're not eating these foods, or could you have a problem with your digestive system? Let's say, for example, you don't have enough stomach acid. Well, that right there could be the reason why you can't absorb iron, or you have a problem with B12. Or let's say you're menstruating and you're losing blood. Well, in that case, you just need to have some, grass-fed liver, and that should handle it right there. If you don't like liver, you can actually do rare meat. That would actually handle it as well. Anyways, I wanted to create a video of the 5 reasons why you may have cold feet. Thanks for watching. So I want to thank you for being here and watching my videos. If you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and do so you can stay informed of future videos.